welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaisa. Friends, today we are gonna make a great animation in Scratch, that is a pen animation, and in pen animation we are gonna make a shape in Scratch. So I would like to make a triangle in Scratch. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first we will delete our regular sprite kit, and I will take a sprite as pencil. You can take any sprite to draw any animation or to draw a shape. I am taking pencil, so it will be much more good. So let's see where is the pencil. And I will also change the costume of the pencil, because of every sprite there are many costumes. Like there are different sprites, so they have a different costumes. So let's see. So here it's a pencil. I have taken a pencil here, and I would like to change this costume. There are two costumes. First this costume which is here, and second this is the costume of light color. So I am taking this costume, and I would like to delete the first costume. So let's delete this first costume, and only one costume will be there. And today the background I am gonna make by my own. So I am not taking any background from library. I am choosing this background option, and then the brush tool. I am clicking on brush tool, and I am deleting this second background. I am taking this backdrop one, converting it to the bottom, so it will display on this our main display. So now let's click on this bucket, and I am gonna take a 2-layer up down background. So let's see which will be much more good. Let's take this, and this one has to be with purple. It will be good to take something light and dark combination like this, and we can also sweep it. So on up there will be a turquoise color, and down there will be a violet. Now click here 2 times and it will be filled. So click on this bucket and click here. So now I am clicking on here. Let's see. Or we can click on convert to vector, so then also it will happen. So you can see we got a background here, and let's convert it to be bottom, so it is showing on our main display also. Now let's go to code. So I have taken a background, but for sprite, that is pencil, I am gonna put a very different codes. So as always, I will take whenever the green flag clicked, what will happen? Let's see. So we will go in motion block, and we will take x as to be 0 and y as to be 0, because I want this my pencil to be in center. That's why I am taking x0 and y0. And now for pen animation, I am gonna use a extension. So let's click on the extension here, and from the extension I am gonna take this pen extension, because I am doing here pen animation. So first of all I will erase this, because I want that whatever I am drawing on my display, I want it to be erased whenever the green flag will click. That's why we have put it this code. Now let's go to Lux block, and we can animate it by saying something more things. So I am taking, say, let's make a triangle like this. Let's make a triangle. So it will say like this. So after this, what we can give much more, how we can make it more creative. So let's see. I am taking from pen extension, I am taking pen down, because I want that whatever I am drawing, that should be repeat as much time. So as you all know that there are 3 sides, so we will put repeat block 3 times. But before that we want to put the size and the color of the pen. So let's go on the pen block and take set pen color to be, we can take as, it should be 5, not 50, because it will be too much thick. Set pen color to 5. After that set pen size to 5, because I want it to be thick, otherwise it will be too much light. That's why. Now let's go to control block, and I would like to repeat whatever I am putting in this repeat block to be 3 times, because there are 3 sides of a triangle. That's why whatever we are making, that should be repeat 3 times. So the whatever the movement is there, that should be repeat 3 times, then only a triangle will make. So let's take move 100 steps, because to complete a triangle in Scratch there is 100 steps are needed. And let's take a turn left side to be 120 degree. So I have taken this 120 degree, and then I want that after making one side it should wait for 1 second and then it should make another side. So let's see how it's working. Let's see. You can see it's saying let's make a triangle, and as you have seen it's made a triangle, and it's looking very good. You can see the proper triangle is made here. Now the full animation is not done. I would like to animate the background also, so I'm gonna put a sound behind it. So I'm taking whenever the green flag clicked, and I'm taking not this pop sound, I'm deleting it from the sound library. I'm choosing loops blocks, and from loops I'm taking my whatever I like sound, I am taking that. You can take any sound as you want. So let's listen. No, this is the cave sound. It's a horror sound for if we are making any story which is very horror, so we can use that sound in there. But we want a light and very sweet sound. So let's see this chill one. Yes, this one is very good, so we can take this chill sound. So let's go in sound block and take play sound chill until done, and put it here, and whenever the green flag click, play sound chill until done. I have taken this, so I have animated my background also. Now let's see. The sound is also there. It's saying let's make a triangle, and finally it has made a triangle. You can see the preview of this once again. So yes friends, this is all about today. This is the very easy and very great animation for Scratch beginners, and these codes are very easy of Sprite's pencil, and the code of backdrop is also very easy. So you can try and let me know how was my this video. So please watch my this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Thanks for watching.